Hey dear people, welcome to this video. This is your host and host Ashok, and I am doing a follow-up video about futures trading strategy which I had given about 2 or 3 days back, where I have revealed my strategy which has been making money over a period of time, and I am doing a follow-up because it will actually showcase how much this strategy is making accuracy. I had told you it is 67% accurate. However, as per my analysis, it is more accurate than my algorithm. It showed 67% accurate when I was doing this video, but over a period of time it has increased a lot. Okay, so let's do the calculation as to how much the analysis of this futures trading strategy works and how much accurate this particular strategy is. Just to give you a heads up as to what the futures trading strategy I had revealed is, the highest to lowest or lowest to highest, whatever the Nifty Futures has scaled within 9:15 a.m. till 11 o'clock in the morning, you will draw the Fibonacci retracement from the lowest to highest or the highest to lowest which has scaled. It has gone from the lowest to the highest, so we will draw a Fibonacci retracement from the lowest it has scaled to, that is 18,084.2 levels. So let's draw the Fibonacci retracement 18,084.2 to the highest it has scaled, that is around 1045, 18,170.8. Okay, we have drawn the Fibonacci retracement. The strategy, the futures trading strategy is simple. The trading strategy is when it scales above one level at the highest or the zero level at the lowest, we will take the trade. Once it crosses this particular level, that is 0 on the lower side or 1 on the higher side, we'll wait for that to close below, and in the next candle we'll actually buy into the particular stock or particular as in if it is going downer, we will sell it, we'll sell the futures. If it is going higher, we will buy the future. Simple as that. Okay, some days when it has a steep curve, it is very hard to predict that the market is going, it has already scaled to 23.6 in that particular candle itself. When you actually buy it to 38.2% level, that is very hard to achieve. So we will not trade any which actually is a bigger candle. It started from 0 level and scaled to 23.8%. This is very hard target. Loss will be heavy. So you will sell this at one candle which is closing lower, and the next candle should be opening lower than 1 itself or the 0 level itself on the Fibonacci retracement. That's the strategy, and the stop loss will be the previous consolidation zone. So the previous consolidation zone is 23.6 levels. That's very steep. So this trade is a gone case. We will not be taking any trade in this particular level. We'll actually wait for the next candle to go lower. So next candle which actually goes lower than 0 level is this candle, and this actually is opening below the 0 level itself. So this is not a candle which we'll be considering. The next candle is what we'll be considering. This closed below, the next candle is opening below as well. So in this particular candle, we will take the trade. We will sell into the Nifty Futures. Here we'll sell into the Nifty Futures at the opening of that particular candle when it is actually opening, and wait for it to scale to 38.2% levels. Okay, the stop loss will be the previous consolidation zone. 3 candles have closed here, so stop loss will be 3 candles above that particular level. Okay, so it is 18,088 levels, so 18,091 will be our stop loss. Scale this short position to here. So here we have actually not hit the stop loss and we have actually scaled to the lower level, that is the target. So here we have 1.87% risk to reward ratio. The trade goes like this. The target will be 38.2% levels and the stop loss will be consolidation zone. Wherever 3 candles have actually closed, don't take the stop loss very near to the 0% level, because that itself is a particular level of resistance. Here the 2 or 3 candles have actually closed and 3 points above that will be our stop loss level. Okay, and this is the stop loss. The target is 38.2% levels. Here we have achieved the target. Okay, till now everything was hush hush. Now comes the part where we will actually track how much this is actually accurate, and let's see if this actually works or doesn't work. Okay, so here I have actually made a lot of mess over here. This we target is 1 hit the target. Okay, now let's track the previous candles. I've drawn everything so that it doesn't take a lot of time for you. Okay, so it is 10 profits, 3 losses. That's the percentage we have to calculate. How much accurate is my strategy, which I have given the futures trading strategy. Let's open the percentage calculator. So we have taken 13 trades. Out of that, 3 trades are losses. So let's calculate what is the percentage. We are actually looking at 76.9% profit. So that's great, right? 76.9% of accuracy, and that too, this is very simple strategy. I have not even given you any trailing stop loss or anything which actually gives you more money when the actual market is continuously falling or it is continuously increasing. On that days you can make more profits with the trading strategies which I will teach. I will teach you 3 trading strategies which makes you money with the trailing stop losses, and you can see that in this particular video, and I will see you in this futures and options video where you will make a lot of money. You will mint a lot of money with my trading strategies.